Welcome back friends. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to use the related function in Power BI. The related function in Power BI is used to pull the information from the related table. First of all, let me show you the data here. I have two tables. One is item information and the other is sales data. Let me open these tables by going to the table view and click on the item information table. In the item information table I have the details of the item name, purchase price per unit and selling price per unit for these items. In the sales data table I have the information of date, item name, store and quantity sold. In this sales data table the item name are repeating multiple times, and in the item information table the item names are given only one time. My requirement here is to calculate the sales revenue. To calculate the sales revenue, I need to have the selling price per unit information of every single product that is given here in the item name column. So in this case, I can use the related function to pull the data of selling price per unit from this item information table. But before using the related function, we have to first create the relationship between tables. To create the relationship, click on this data model view. And here you see the two tables are given. In these two tables, the item name column is common. In this item information table, the item names appears only one time, but here in the sales data table, the item name appears many times. So here we have to create one-to-many relationship between these two tables based on the item name column. To create the relationship, simply click on this item name. Hold the click and drag and drop this here in the item name column of the sales data table. Here you see new relationship window is opened where the tables are given here. One is the item information table, other is the sales data table, and this item name column is the common column. Here the cardinality of relation is given, that is one-to-many relation, because in the item information table item name appears only one time, and in the sales data table item name appears many times. That is why it is one-to-many relation. Now you can click on the save button and the relation will be created here. Here you see two tables are connected. After connecting these two tables, you can now use the related function to get the information of this selling price per unit here in the sales data table. Let's click on the table view. Then to display the selling price per unit here, we have to create a new column. For that, in the table tools, you have this new column option. Click on this. In the formula bar, column equal to is given. You can change the name of the column here. So let me put here SPPU equal to. Now use the related function. So type here related open parenthesis. Here you see the function description is given. The related function returns a related value from another table. Now we have to put the column name of the table from which we want to get the information of selling price per unit. That is the selling price per unit column of item information table. So click on this, close parenthesis and press enter. Here you see the selling price per unit for every single item is given here. Now you can calculate here the sales revenue by simply multiplying this quantity sold with the selling price per unit. For that, click on this new column. In the formula bar, put here sales revenue equal to, then select this quantity sold column of sales data table. So put here sales data quantity sold multiplied with, then put here sales data selling price per unit column, and here you see the sales revenue is calculated. So this is how we can use the related function in Power BI to get the information from the related table. If you want to practice this function, you can download this Power BI document from the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.